Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to cite a website in APA format. So in order for us to get this done, I have here two examples. The number one is going to be this one right here where most of the information are here, and the other one is a corporate website where most of the information are not around here. So I'm going to show you how to get this done. Stay tuned everybody. So first things first, let's just go ahead and open our document and maybe we can put them side by side just like so in order for us to see this better. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to make the text here bigger just for us to see this even better. All right, there you go. All right, so let's start with this one right here. So the first thing that we are going to do is the organization where this is from. So we have this one right here, Santa Clara University. We're going to go ahead and put this here. And this is from the same department. So we're going to go ahead and put the department here, Markula Center for Applied Ethics. And after doing so, we're going to go ahead and find the publishing date here. So we should be able to see this. All right, there you go. So down here, normally you should be able to see it down here or just above here. So somewhere around this part right here. So what we are going to do is just put it here. We're going to go ahead and put this in parentheses just like so, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed. So the title is the thing that we are going to follow. So this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and put here the title, and then after the title, what you're going to do is when you have retrieved this from or when you have browsed this. So the date for today is September 20. I'm going to go ahead and put here retrieved from. All right, September 20, 2024, and then comma from, and then we're going to copy the link here. We're going to go ahead and paste it here. Now, if you're going to hit enter, you can see that now it has been hyperlinked. Another thing that is very important is from this point here, from the second line, you're going to have to grab this one right here. So just go ahead and grab to say about 1 inch, just like so. And then afterwards, we're going to go ahead and try to fix this one right here. As you can see, there is this kind of like quite a long one here, actually, this space. Now what you're going to do is head over here, for example, ethical, and then you're going to shift enter in order for that to work. So after you've done that one, we're going to go ahead and try to give you another example. So the second example is this one right here from a corporate website where most of the information that we need are not here. Now to do that, it's actually quite simple. What you're going to do is just try to identify the corporate website itself as the author. So I'm going to go ahead and put here San Miguel Brewery Incorporation, just like so. And then again, we don't have an author for this one. So what we are going to do is just go ahead and type here the date, but this one as well doesn't seem to have any date in here. So what we are going to do is just refer to this as ND or no date, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and copy the title because it's available in here. Now once we have the title in here, we're going to go ahead and retrieve this one, or when we have retrieved this. So still the same, retrieved from September 20, 2024, comma, and then from, and then we're going to copy the website, and then we're going to paste it here. We're going to go ahead and drag here about, let's say, for example, 1. There you go. We should be able to see the hyperlink. If not, then we can go ahead and repaste this one, hit enter, and then we're going to go ahead and redo that one. Shift enter, just like so. And yeah, this is basically how you're going to reference websites in APA format.